Kitchen Postcards. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for making Zarda in the Instant Pot. It's a quick and easy recipe like all Instant Pot recipes, but really delicious and really luxurious. So you're not missing out on any of the decadence of this beautiful dessert. Zarda is a sweet rice dessert flavored with saffron, orange zest, and garnished with raisins and chopped nuts like almonds and cashews. Zarda is made in different forms in Iran, Turkey, India and other parts of South Asia. It's a really festive dessert. You can find it very commonly during Ramazan, but you don't have to wait for Ramazan. You can make it any time of the year to finish off a beautiful home-cooked meal. I made it earlier today and could not help myself from eating more. Parboiling rice ensures that the basmati grains are absolutely separate and fluffy at the end of the recipe. Add rice with lots of water, salt, and pressure cook on high for 3 minutes. Let the rice sit and soak in the flavors of saffron and zest while you move on to make the syrup. I'm using jaggery in this recipe. You can also replace that and use sugar instead. Turn on the Instant Pot on saute mode for 10 minutes. Add ghee and roast all the spices. Then add jaggery to it, followed by water, and let the syrup cook until it reduces a little in volume. And if you're wondering how do I make Zarda without the Instant Pot, well, there's a very similar recipe that's also festive and made during Baisakhi, Meethe Chawal. You can follow along Sakshi's recipe and also cook with her on video. We want a slightly runny syrup, so once all the gur has dissolved, pour it out and keep it ready in a separate bowl. Finally, we'll layer all our ingredients, rice, syrup and raisins, and steam it for only a minute. It's normal to have some syrup left over. Don't try to use it all, otherwise the rice might get a little too mushy and too wet. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss a recipe again. And if you enjoy watching this video and if you enjoy Zarda, please like the video, give it a thumbs up so other people can also find it.